Did that over 90% of your serotonin, the happy hormone, isn't made in your brain? It's produced in your gut. Today, we'll explore why this is and what it means for your overall health. Understanding this connection reveals a powerful link between your digestive system and mental well-being. We'll uncover the surprising role of gut bacteria and how they influence serotonin production. Your gut houses trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes stimulate cells in your gut lining to produce serotonin. For example, certain probiotics, lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, have been shown to increase serotonin levels. Specialized cells called enterochromaffin cells are the primary serotonin factories. They respond to signals from the gut microbiome, converting tryptophan, an amino acid, into serotonin. Interestingly, this gut-derived serotonin primarily regulates digestion, not mood, a surprising distinction. But here's a tease: what if manipulating your gut microbiome could influence your mood and mental health? We'll dive deeper into that in our next video. So, remember, a healthy gut is crucial for serotonin production, impacting both your digestion and potentially your mood. Prioritize gut health through diet and probiotics for a happier, healthier you. This video and subscribe for more science-backed health insights.